And this is why I say that if you are missing to subscribe, you are missing the profits today morning. I told you stay long on gold till the time it trades above 1630. You can expect 1645, 1650 and then 1655 levels precisely. It has achieved that. Likewise, US30 I told you double top it can form achieving 32,970 at the same levels are done, and US100 too has achieved 11,550. Now what to expect? Today with the US cash session, we will try to see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe again is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon because that will keep you updated with the next updates which will be released tomorrow morning with the Asia session. So do watch that also. Let's start first we look into gold followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. Now on the hourly charts, gold has achieved 1655 levels and that appears to be a good highs, from where if it tries to rise then we can see again a massive move. But remember 1655 is a good resistance and this zone between 1655 now is going to play a vital role for gold. If it trades above 1655 you can expect that it is looking forward to somewhere here at 1658 60 and beyond that it is going to fly high. We may see 1660 1671 levels. You had to be cautious as it has already seen a good rally. It is trying to trade in this channel. Now look at this. Let me show you something on closer charts. If you see this, it has seen a good rally here. Yes, if it tries to breach below 1650 you can again take a short entry, but remember there are supports at 1645 and 1641 levels. It may try to achieve this. Even if it is bullish it can try to retrace a bit before trying to take a rise, but this should be considered only a retracement and it can again reverse, and hence you have to be sure, you have to be cautious with the shorts, and every sell is an opportunity to buy. At least for today you have to be cautious till the time it trades above 1630. Every short or every drop is an opportunity to buy. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. On the hourly chart it may try to cool down a bit, it may try to drop a bit. Likewise MACD is also at the extremes, extremely divergent. RSI is also near to the top, and likewise 2-hour charts similar observation. Here also directional movement bullish. Stochastic extremely overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. It can continue to converge from here. Be cautious. RSI is trading near to the top, and on the 3-hour charts similar is the observation. Now see on the 3-hour charts, consistently 4 green candles. If it breaks past 1655 you can again expect a rise, and at the same time below 1650 certainly more bearishness, slight bearishness or retracement can be expected till towards 1645 1641 levels, which might be giving it a very strong support, and from there the rise can restart. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has just crossed over 3 candles apart and it may continue to rise. RSI looking bullish still, and on the 4-hour chart similar is the observation. It is bullish, it is overbought, and yes, the MACD has just crossed over. This is still indicating bullishness to continue. Hence, you have to remain cautious with the shorts out there. The daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. See, double bottom, higher lows, higher highs. What it is looking forward to is 1690 levels. In maybe today, maybe tomorrow, it can continue till towards those levels. Possibility exists, but it has to surpass this zone at 1670 levels. If it trades above 1670, you can remain long for the rest of the week. You can expect a rise for 1700, 1710 levels also. Directional movement trying to converge. Stochastic is oversold here and it is trying to rise a little. Today's green candle definitely will pull it out of the oversold zone. The MACD is still in green. RSI looking upwards. Considering this for the day, only buy opportunities at 1655, but remember it is already seen some good bullishness, and hence there are going to be resistance at 1658 and 1661 levels, only above which you can expect 1665 1671 levels as the next targets. Yes, you can remain long above 1655, but you have to trade with a trailing stop loss there, because there is a possibility that already it has seen a good run of $20. Though it can continue to rise, still you have to remain cautious and you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. On the downside you can sell there at 1650, but then remember again on the downside, because it is a bullish case and hence every drop is an opportunity to buy, you have to, here also you have to trade with a trailing stop loss below 1650 1647 45 and then 41 levels to get achieved. I don't think so below that it can go, but yes, these are markets below that 1635 30 levels to be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And remember, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Only few seats left. Do not miss this opportunity. Now look at the hourly charts on US 100, and see on US 30 it has already filled this gap. On US 100 it is still lagging. Probably it may try to fill this gap and achieve 11,580 levels, and in fact it can try to trade beyond. Probably 11,650 is the next stronger target. So right now rise, retracement, rise, and it can achieve double top here, or maybe 11,650, and then from there the retracement might start, and so you have to be cautious. It is trading in a bullish channel, and if it drops 11,500 is going to be a major support. Yes, you can sell there at 11,500 only. Below 11,500 you can expect little more bearishness. 11,450 is the next target, and below that it might trade bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought on the hourly charts. MACD is also bullish, it is divergent. RSI trading near to the highs. Likewise similar observation on the 2-hour charts. Yes, there could be a further highs at around 11,650, and from there the drop might start. So first destination 11,580. If it breaks past 11,580, 600, 620, 650. Only beyond 11,650 there is going to be massive bullishness, else it may continue with the bearish momentum. Rise, retracement, rise, probably it may retrace from here. 11,500 is a good support. Below that you can expect a good drop. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Consistently green candles, and see increasing body size, increasing bullishness. Now this is trying to break out. Any drop below 11,500 should be taken as a bearish case. 11,450 and 11,400 are the major support. Below that it may trade bearish, extremely bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD bullish. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts, and if you look at the most important one, that is the daily charts. On the daily charts you will observe, see after retracing for a bit it is now reversing here, and if it continues to reverse it may in fact give you similar size of candle. First 11,580, 600, 620, 650. If 650 is taken you can remain long. It can give you very strong bullish candle, mark my words. It can take it till towards 11,700 and 11,800 level. This is going to be the target if it continues to trade above 11,650 levels. If not today, by tomorrow it might achieve 11,800 and in fact beyond levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish and it is still diverging. It can try to converge. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, today sell below 11,500, but remember till 11,400 you should remain bullish. Till 11,400 you can buy the sells out there and buy the dip out there, and till 11,400 you can remain bullish. You can expect it to rise, but on the upside 580 is the major resistance. 620, 600, 620 and 650, these are the 3 nearest major resistance. Beyond 11,650 it is going to fly high like rocket. Probably 11,710 and 800 levels to be seen there. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals group. See the signals, we have gathered thousands of points in just 4 weeks, and yes, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the US 30, it is consolidating here. See the bottom here, it is getting support at 32,920 levels. Trading below 32,900, you can take a short entry. 32,850 is going to be a major support. Yesterday I told you it is the resistance. Today it is going to be the support. Below that 32,800 and 32,750, 32,700. Only below 32,700 the bears will kick in here. Hence any drop till 32,700 you can buy the dip. Direction movement bullish, stochastic overbought. And if you look at the MACD is slightly bullish, RSI is near to the highs. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation, and everything is bullish. On the 3-hour charts also, likewise, see the candle size is diminishing here. Yes, if it breaks out, it can give you similar size of breakout here, almost 100 points. Hence it might try to take it till towards 33,200. This is the major resistance. Hence beyond 33,000 you can remain long, you can expect bullishness. Stochastic overbought, MACD is bearish. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. It is stochastic is overbought, MACD is bearish. And on the daily charts, see double top is done. I will wait for how it behaves at 32,970, 33,000 levels. Beyond 33,000 you can stay long. Below 32,900 you can stay short, but remember 32,700 is a major support. Till 32,700 every drop is an opportunity to buy. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.